Saudara, konflik AS dan Iran ini belum menemukan ujung damai. Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengisyaratkan perang bisa kembali pecah. Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengklaim Amerika Serikat sudah menang secara militer. Ucapan Trump terlontar seusai Amerika Serikat melancarkan serangan lebih lanjut ke Iran pada Kamis waktu setempat.
Another way of doing it. We have many ways we can win, but we've already won militarily. They have very little left, and they want to make a deal so badly. They called a little while ago. They want to make a deal so badly. I just don't know if they're worthy of making a deal. I don't know that they're going to honor the deal. It's sort of crazy, to be honest with you. It's sort of crazy. They're a little bit out of control, but they want to make a deal badly.